It's Ramadan, and that means a whole lot of juices and smoothies and so much more. As we nourish the soul, we definitely need to nourish the body. So I've come up with four different juice combos that you guys can try during this Ramadan. These juices are all for me and my family, and you can also recreate them for you and your family. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. And if you've been a subscriber, thank you so much. Now let's get right into today's video. The first juice combo is watermelon, beetroot, and lime with a little bit of ginger. So let's juice. I'm going to be using this BMP slow juicer to juice all of this, and you're going to see it yourself how durable this gadget is. I got it from Beams Marketplace Kitchen on Instagram. I'll be linking their handle in the description box, so do check them out. If you want a gadget that is very, very strong and durable, you can check them out. So let's get right into today's video again. So as you can see, it's almost filled up. It's almost filled up. So I'm going to open the tap. Oh my God. This is looking so beautiful. So as the final one is coming out, let me show you the pulp. The pulp is very dry. You know that watermelon has a very high quantity of water, but despite that, the pulp that comes out using this juicer is very, very dry. I'm going to keep this and use it to make zobo, so that it just tastes very different. So let's bottle this and put it in the freezer straight up. Oh my God. The next on my list is watermelon, lime, and mint leaves. So the mint looks like this because I kept them in the fridge and they look shrink, but they're still fresh. Let's get right into this one. I didn't wash the juicer because like the juice is similar, so I didn't bother to wash it. It's coming out and I love it. Let's do more. The second round. So this is about the third one. The third one, watermelon, water contents very high. Now this is the watermelon, mint, and lime. I'm about to bottle it now. This should do more than 3 bottles, and these bottles are 50 cl each. So 3 bottles and just a little one here. And we're done with watermelon, mint, and lime. Next on the list is this combo, which is pineapple, orange, and ginger. See that? So let's pour out the juice. All done. And the last juice is coming out. I'm guessing this is just going to make 2 bottles, so but let's see how it goes. Pineapple, oranges, and ginger. This is a good source of vitamin C. Ooh. 2 bottles. Now let's move on to the next one, which is carrots, pineapple, and oranges with a little bit of ginger, just to give it a hint. Now the last one, pineapple, ginger, oranges, and carrots. I'm not going to finish this carrot because it's a whole lot. I'm going to keep it for future juicing. Let's get right into this one. Once again, the juicer is from Beam's Marketplace Kitchen. It's a BMP slow juicer and it's very, very durable. As you can see, I've been using it this is the 4th juice on a row and it's doing the work. So reach out to Beam's Marketplace Kitchen on Instagram. The link will be in the description, and tell them you are from Moose Bakery. You'll get a special discount. The first batch is ready. Let's see. I love this juice because it's very colorful and it's filled with nutrients. A good source of vitamin C as well. So let's continue. Make sure that you remove all of the seeds of your oranges. That's why you see it scattered like this. And make sure I remove all the seeds, because if you don't remove it, it's going to make your juice bitter. Let's open it again. First batch, bottle filled. Let's move on to the next. Now this is the 3rd one. The 3rd one. I guess this is going to give us plenty juice. We still have more. So the trick in doing this one is add the fruits that doesn't have a lot of water, then add the one that has a lot of water to push out all of the juice, and then repeat it over and over again. So it does the magic. So I think I'm okay with the carrots that I've done now. I'm not going to do more carrots. Just going to exhaust my oranges and pineapples, then we'll bottle it and we'll call it a day. Remember, if you've not subscribed to the channel, now is the right time, because on this channel, we deliver quality recipes that are tried, tested, and trusted. So be a part of the family. Let me add a little carrot. And of course, I still have ginger. So I'm leaving this for the last so that it will push out all of the remaining juice. Last but not the least, so now let's bottle. Carrots, pineapple, ginger, and oranges. I love it. Love it. I thought it was going to make 4, but apparently we have just 3 and a little. These are all of the juices that we made. It looks small. This is 11 in total. This is going to be enough for us all through Ramadan, because we're going to mix it with zobo drink and tiger nut drink. We're going to interchange it as we go along. Till I come your way again next time, my name remains Titilayo. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones. So Ramadan Mubarak to all of my Muslim subscribers here. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.